Ethan is working on his engine stand, putting it together. We're finger tightening the bolts right now, and he'll get them tighter when he's got it all together.
These.
Need me to hold it?
Right now I'm putting on the things that the bolts go through that hold the engine to the stand. And they're adjustable, so you can move them inside these little slots, depending on how big your engine is.
And after we get them tighter, they will stand up. Do you want to tighten the bottom one a little bit more?
Oh, yeah. Good?
Yeah.